Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a summer reset. I'm just gonna be getting my life together for the summer season. I'm just gonna be getting my life together, doing some cleaning, some self-care. Anytime there's a new season, I like to just take some time to get organized. That's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna take you guys along, probably like today and tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give this a big thumbs up if you do, and comment below your favorite thing to do in the summertime. Let's just get into it. First things first, a little self-care. I'm getting my lashes filled. As you can see, they're looking a little sparse. I love lash extensions. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you might know I used to wear strip lashes all the time. I have super short, very blonde lashes. Even when I put mascara on, it looks like I have like no eyelashes. I love getting lash extensions. I got them for a trip a couple years ago. I literally haven't stopped getting them since, especially in the summertime. I think they're really nice. I feel like lash extensions make it really easy to do like a no makeup look. I also self-tan, so I have a fresh self-tan, about to have fresh lashes. That's my little mini glow up. It's time for my appointment, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Here's the before. I just got done getting my lashes filled. They look so good. I just do like a classic set. Now I'm just gonna go home and get some cleaning done. Currently kind of doing a little bit of like a living room makeover. I feel like my apartment is just super messy. I kind of have stuff everywhere. Let's go home and do some cleaning. It's a little bit later, but my apartment is looking so clean. This was really overdue. My apartment was looking so messy. You guys saw how dusty my room was. I do want to do a little organizing, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Good morning. I feel like I look a little bit crazy right now. I made an iced vanilla latte. I used the BB's vanilla syrup. It tastes so good. I want to try all of the vanilla syrups to find the best one. So I think the next one I'm going to try is going to be the 1883. All the syrups I have from them taste so good. It's been almost a year since I bought my Breville machine. I have to say it's definitely my best purchase. I've saved so much money with it. Just doing a little brain dump to kind of write down everything that I need to get done. I find that to be so helpful. I need to do a lot of organizing today. I want to go through all of my shorts and my dresser. That's like the main thing on my to-do list. There's really only two main things that I want to finish up. That is cleaning out my closet. Mainly this dresser. I want to switch it out from winter to summer items and put all my summer shorts in here and take out all the winter items. So I'm just gonna kind of reorganize this dresser for summertime. Also kind of want to go through all my shorts and see what shorts fit, what shorts don't fit. Obviously your body changes from one summer to the next, and I feel like the shorts that fit me last year might not fit that well this year. There were also some that I know I didn't really wear last summer, so I'm gonna go through those as well. Just kind of declutter my shorts and organize them. That is like the main thing that I want to get done. I also want to make a summer bucket list and mood board to just kind of get in the mood for the summer. I also want to make a smoothie. I just got a new blender. Here is my new blender. This is the Beast blender from Crate & Barrel. I love how it's like aesthetic and it's relatively small to like store. It has really good reviews, so I'm excited to try it. I think I'm just gonna make like a strawberry banana smoothie. Everything fit very nicely in here. I used the bigger size. There's also a smaller size. I took like half full. I did a whole banana, about a cup of strawberries, about a half a cup of blueberries, and milk. Let's see how it tastes. That looks really smooth. I'm so excited to taste this. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. The consistency is really good. Love, I refilled it a little bit. this is your sign to make a smoothie if you haven't made one recently, because this is so good and refreshing. Now I'm just gonna do some cleaning and decluttering. These are all my shorts that have been away in storage. I know there's like a lot of denim shorts. I think a lot of these aren't going to fit. My waist has definitely not gotten smaller, so I'm just gonna try them on. It's quite a bit later, but I tried on all my shorts and sorted them into piles that I want to keep and piles that I don't want to keep. I'm realizing that I have a crazy amount of shorts. At least I'm organizing them. This is really making me mindful of future purchases. Dresser is a lot more organized now. I got rid of a lot of shorts that just didn't fit me, that I know I didn't wear last year because they were kind of tight or uncomfortable. I'm gonna have some of them listed on my Poshmark, so if you guys want to shop any of the shorts, if you like them when I was trying them on, I can check that off my list. It took a long time. In the video, it's probably only a couple minutes, but it actually took so long to just like try all of that on and go through it. I'm just so indecisive with like getting rid of things. The last thing I want to do to reset for summer is make a summer bucket list and also a mood board to just kind of get in the summer mood, get excited for the new season, kind of set some goals of some things that I want to do this summer. Not necessarily like goals, but more like fun goals. Starting with the summer bucket list, it's not anything too crazy, just kind of some things that I want to do this summer. So if you're wanting to make a bucket list of your own or just kind of brainstorm some fun things to do this summer, hopefully this will give you some inspo. First up is read 2 books. I know this isn't like anything crazy, but I wanted to read more this year and I haven't really read any book. I think 2 books for the summertime is pretty achievable. If you guys have any book recommendations, comment them below. Be a tourist in my own city. I feel like there's so many things in Kansas City that I've never done, so many restaurants I haven't been to, so many coffee shops that I haven't been to. There's a lot of fun things here that I just don't really ever go and do. I thought it'd be fun to have like a whole day kind of being a tourist in my own city, doing things that I would do if I was like visiting. Let me know if you guys would like to see a vlog of like fun things to do in Kansas City, day in my life, Kansas City, being a tourist, I don't know. Kind of going along with that, trying 3 new restaurants or coffee shops. I know that's like not very many. 7,000 steps a day. I feel like a lot of the day I'm sitting, so I really don't get that many steps in. I want to make more of an effort to walk, use my walking pad, and actually get some more steps in. I see a lot of people that do like 10,000 steps a day. That seems like a little bit much, but 5,000 seems like I'm probably almost there. So I thought 7,000 would be a good number. Find a new coffee recipe. I always just do like vanilla or caramel or something basic. I want to try some new syrups and try some new syrup combos and kind of make some fun drinks this summer. Go to the farmer's market. I definitely want to make sure I go at some point this summer. Go on a road trip. This is something that I'm definitely going to do. I have a couple kind of like road trips planned, but like less than 3 hours. So I don't know if that really counts as a road trip. Visit my sister. She's moving into a house here in a few weeks. I definitely want to visit her and like stay in her new house, maybe spend a few days. We don't get a lot of time where it's just the 2 of us. I definitely want to visit her and just spend some time, like go shopping and just kind of do some summer things together, just the 2 of us. Travel to a new place. I do have a trip planned for a place that I've never been to, so I know I can at least check this off. Make a charm bracelet. I love this one from Princess Polly. It's so cute, but I kind of want to make one where I'm like picking out all the charms. Perfect my skincare routine. I feel like my skincare routine is really basic. I definitely want to try out some new products and really just get my skincare routine perfect. I want to fill up 2 rolls of film. I want to try to use my phone camera a lot this summer and take a lot of pictures. Finish my apartment refresh. I've been kind of like refreshing some of the decorations in my living room, my kitchen, my bedroom, so that it just reflects my personal interior style a little bit more. Lock in on my budget and finances, like really be financially responsible. Try not to spend as much. I've been trying to be better and more intentional about my purchases. Watch 15 new movies. I feel like a lot of people have like big reading goals, like book goals, but I always have like a watch list of movies. Just like love sitting down and watching a new movie. Just love watching a new movie or a new TV show, and I try to watch a new movie like almost every weekend. Comment below your favorite movie of all time, and if I haven't seen it, I'll definitely have to check it out. Have a game night. I especially love cards, but board games are really fun too, but just have like a fun game night and just play a bunch of games. Lastly is try a new summer recipe. I really want to try like some fresh pastas or fresh salad. I know that was like a pretty basic bucket list. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspo. Now I'm gonna make a mood board to set as my screensaver and have it kind of reflect the things that I mentioned in my bucket list that I want to do this summer. Let's do that. Here is my mood board for summer. I think it looks really cute. It's very reflective of what I want my summer to look like. Included some goals, some things that I want to do, some things that I know I'm going to be doing at some point this summer, to kind of just have a visual of what I want my summer to look like. I love doing this and just setting it as a screensaver on my phone, on my laptop, on my iPad. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below your favorite movie, your favorite song, your favorite TV show. I'd love to check them out. Anything that's like summer vibes, please share. Or even just something that brings you joy in the summer that you like to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing summer. Comment this emoji if you stay until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.